handsome said the bejo o dadwene ho a won ti ase bi se de bia no ye Daniel sori ye ti asem foforo na asem foforo no so no ayaminu mienu ana edeba eti ene enkomo a ye bedie no ye nsembebre bini do obofo Michael na ene ensemo ye ba be ka ho asem ensemo a trending over the week I go so free 31st night Umofia nsemo e ba baaye as say Ghana ye free Ghana bio ye free no Umofia ya nkasa ye papa ye Prophet Nigel Gezi wode ye nsemi betu dwache ho kom ma obi besie or try no beat around the law no na wode eba betu dwa na abushafo ne ye ne ye papa ebe twe komo unze me trans say dia na me papa na ebe twe komo na sem no yado mo asiko so ye sofui na ye bisa se asofo no omo pratwe no na ti sen asofo ne bi twe mpana so because asofo no omo pratwe ti sen ya na se mandatory se asofo no so etwe mpana ene se ba be kan ho asem eye Prophet Nigel Gezi video bi quality se woni a supposed side chick be a cruisy ewo eye the living sitting room na ho sem ababe to adija se eye odifuoi se no so ojinani edi je no bi ajinani o jafo bi di off Michael mi twamusi ma me ba me introduce eye me papa ne na twenkom ofia. With no disrespect, subscribe, share, never comment comment section ase aha attention TV say that we can na me shall say we cause subscribe to your channel na medical casual say me dey obo for Michael do oboa be camera chinchim ama na agency ka papa on e boa ma bibia aye kama odifo Eric Akwesi entry na aba be come inside wofia be maba abo be medi akwaba eja let it say ya me adom na so for mo twempren ayo be that say but as we cheat for that I just want punch me direct o dey be say mo o twempana na me twemprenti kase ebinim okay sorry for the wrong I didn't so for no ebinim twempana say okay obi a woni obi bibia o nyina so me ni kan chia matiefo okay ma me chia attention TV ahwefo nyina adofo me bo obi pia happy new year ese fi kwa se wonu o nkasa yeah me no bia yes me mo bi pia afishia pa ma me chia na hema ho Paraku Estate ma me chia ma me dwere na wo New Jersey ma me chia ma me atwi so o abruchimem na ma me chia mia me nua be dofo ma de nyina me papa ba ko pe checho pentu so di fama yawo sure ma me chia no papa nya me chira ka se one ne yiri nyina mu nimi ho agoro sure se o asofo nyansani bi si awo abrabo ma o ye sofo awu nchimi no kore asofo bebre na jimi o mu jimi no ma me hwe me chia me yere kwen yeah yes queen papa was the best sometime ni me shada metra me kasa sure nti nana me nya kwanya na ise be kasa ma me chia me yere queen was na me chia God's Revelation Ministry manyina na me ma obi bia afishia pa na ma me ma bia yade wo ho me ma bia yade ise me ka okay na me nka enchia no me ka ne direct me ka ne se de etie are etie say ne etie ni bro nya duye me mano nwa chemade okay na ade omo cheme no omo toya ato me shoe etoya ato me nkoda entade wow so obi ya ade ma na anya wo fa wo ye beifo yes me mano beifo na nani nsade ba ko e friend no maame afo dodo na friend nyame do maame yeah so what I say
one ne sister ba ko e sister ena ono a me dof ba ko so ma me filo papa bi omu nyina aka ho no watimi aka bom ene me mabi o mo ke ka ho ma me amisa ma me Gladys chese me baby so ba ko odoma me sansa me ba solo chese papa so you so for na ununyansa na unjimi ya o ma bi so mehwe
yes asofo ni obi o majimi
oh yes e bi ajimi
oh audifo
mesia bi ajimi
asofo ni bi ajimi
me na me ka so mo hwe manim Ghana asofo e bi ajimi
ejine se no kwese mo twempra
me hora me ba no
e bi twempra
e bi twempra we nsa e pom ho tonku ye o mutimi jere
oh audifo
oh na me kam slow
Adeshi TV for abusafo we odi for person we enye entitled to attention
yimi free so person me mbubo bidin kura ka so metime sisi bidin so Ghana so fo bi agimi ebi ani brade ye
fanko
mami kasam to Nigigezi wo Nigigezi Ghana so fo bi na ta Nigigezi
oh
enye Canada Japan na so ri tia Nigigezi Ghana so fo bi tire se Ghana so fo bi agimi ebi agimi
abusafo se odi fo akwese atwi kan o se asofo ni bi mom ene tai Nigigezi
ja ma ka sam chiro Florence obinim ya maame obinim yere otunwom se me fi se me nua na me ne ko kran na ko nya me fi no o na me fi se o ye nyankopon nipa sa me nim so o ye defu ye gimi fo sa me se Nigigezi wa hu ukom a me se asof bi nsa wom ana ato om ni chibiye because of one make asof ani asore ani bere nko o mete se mpete obekọ bola we su akodidi no papa we su abedidi
there be with no respect I said no there be only for there be Mr. me invite you shows
why invite me kanu kra so me kanu kra
no say ebi mo eni asori omo ne nam se pete se die nti
mami kwa mami church asem o pese meka
jabi asem na no de no do
ano de se me se me wo se bisa me se Niger emem asofo bi twempra na mo ntwempra Nigigezi tie na aba na ni peka bisa sa asofo se na ade we bad they are able to walk to go to Nigigezi but they are happy and some of them Niger bet me invite o mo puppet so me nka se na Nigeria na me support o but ye kanokre o ye nipa how many young boys Niger was also 37
years
37 years me kwa me di Niger penny but I respect the guy mental
okay
hwade asema Bible ne kan ni wo se enemo nipa ba nti ye beta mo ye beka mo samone ye ba sore tia mo ye de nsema nim na beto ye begum fi nti this is not a part of joke, it's part of the ministry nti aba Niger will grab it. Me, the one thing I saw in Nigeria, they said the guy have a spirit. It's not easy to give up. Irrespective now by Nigigezi, it's not easy to give up.
What about Montia Beka say? Write up about SI live video say Kwalana the said video now or video now is quality. Ne wo fasi.
There you. Here Mr. Niger. Ne wo fasi. There's no doubt. Me, I'm not going to doubt Nigigezi.
Okay. But
I rather will tell the truth to the world. Say Ghana for there's a high time we should stop cutting ourselves. Yes. Yeah.
What will be on that?
Sir, who caught Niger premises? Baby, I wait me acquire sorry Nadia. The guys try his best. How many workers? And what form of Krebu compound? Until you na hear some quan here. Yeah. Mahia so what TV station?
Yeah.
What TV station? Why you playing Kofo?
Yeah.
We shouldn't talk about that. Yankofa sa news name about you. But let's speak the truth. Ade we come nyina akwese na age no here hi. Once a Ghana say when you prophesy to one party and now prophesy to another party, then you became a target. The party was so there, you became a target. And in American say, I saw for no many churches now I say petino. Amoko one to another to other. Omo na mahwade, omutimi nkran wan Nigeria. One customize omo. Nyame hu ni omo tisam pete. Let me repeat this word. I'm not ashamed to say this. I'm a man of God. But we are working for Christ, not a woman being.
Okay.
What I said, enti Ghana phone asofo no nyan na ntintwitwa
asofo no bi nyan na
ntintwitwa me say this incident by no me hu say Nigeria ka say woni honorable Canada Japan issue
yeah
by what you say nipa bie no 100% nipa bie no
nipa wo mreyo ho
nipa wo mreyo obofo odifo amesi ame no kase me wo mreyo ho
sure
me wo sinto ho
sure
what you say but aya na Ghana asofo ho ba asemo a an roba kwa wani onyam se Ghana asofo yes I'm telling you konfo kodu kota ne yama ne lawyer sofo kodu ani akote ne hwede yesi ye papa wusu bempa wuni ewa
hu bi
what you say akwai question Jesus ahofe look at the way treaty and roba na watutu akoko bi kura ne we say guard and protect that person
because say bi amo asofo no na mo try na
Maza, let me tell you something. Ghana asofo bi agimi ebi enkwase akontete kwa agimefo I am telling you when we say makasa sada
Debbie
I'm talking about experience ebi agimefo yentete kwa afo na mo ni asoro mo wura so dem ti se mpete no amo ene gimi omo sa when you give them one step they will add 3 steps on it and pull you down.
There's a sample for no mature with Christosum.
They are not mature. They are real flat. They are not. Do you think say Nigel issue about some of the pastors are jubilating?
Omu jubilati said yenti.
Say Nigel ababa from. Obi target no.
Na omu dwen sa no Nyankopon ene twusu Nigel ma o ma na.
Eno na ayana nipa wirafi. Chirio ayana nipa wirafi.
But opo
owi of one son.
No ahwe ode ko nipa nsa se of one son.
Thank you. Me this is the last thing I will do say me nua sofo beto form na metrase achizu. Do you know the kind of audios I have on my phone
concerning
some of the pastors which people try to bring it out but I try to talk to the people what about let me tell you incident na ban opa mo kana jigesi once mo mutumi kan wan yada
ebetwam
it's not news
Ghana no nsem huru.
If you have something to tell Nigel, go to Nigel. Nigel, see me amenoka say if I knew Nigel house men nanti akoho I can say minua don't give up. It's part of the ministry.
Okay, me ma esa kwenya no waka sa asem we e attention TV.
I say na make me say Nigel. If I have the access to go to the Nigel house, I mean baby and fear wa.
We the no attach attention.
Nigel tell me. Mini baby of you and me member catch us say don't give up. So far as you are doing the service of God, you meet a lot of challenges.
Okay.
A lot of disgracing.
Okay.
It's part.
A kaki susumu.
But the Ghana so for me Jimmy for. I am happy to say Nigeria back form. But that's not the rating.
Yeah, the one members, Nigeria members, we be come with the no.
I am make and any Jimmy back one Ghana so for Jimmy amu. Na be so pull you down because onu nia so ni bi to pull you down no nyina be pe. Oh, asia una bo sa nipa no.
David. So be free nyame no obi nyina.
Obi ni o. Wo to nko ye utimi jere na to ntare akese ehye no. Fa bobra.
But I say Nigeria go so or bragging or channel.
Bragging, the thing is there. Let me tell you, bit me kasi me ye nyame adwuma che. Naji was 37. Mimi the Naji penny. But Naji was 37. Look at him. I service awaya manyame. Obi a nyame adwuma 200 years, 100 years, 20 years, 40 years. O nkwa siasa mo be de nya sorry dan. Kwa siam kuntu mari o muturumu etafiri 7 atie fom fanchame. Me yera ta person kuntu mari o muturumu no. Wo de no wakata so e wo tensim. Naji so de abi enti mo nkwanko bisaw. You carry the thing to social media. And the social media ti Ghana so for ye sorry tie enu ya dwen beka sa abofom. Beka se de bantu atua ehunum ne yam aduragum. Ye tinya adwuma. Let me tell you something. Ghana before se mini nyame adwuma be koso no. Ona bu Canada Japan chinchin so de hu.
Dabi.
Ye nipa de brem. So called French pastors no.
Unu wabi key no.
Do you think that they are good when they get close to you? But they are worst. They are devils.
No, sir. In a nutshell, no say. Who two? Asofo na oma kwan ma. Asofo bi eba omo nchen.
Me makase. The little experience I have.
Okay.
As I'm now, I am alive.
Yeah.
Look at this. I don't care why you adwuma che. I don't care what experience. I don't care who experience. Fabwa.
who experience
Fabua.
E wo nyame dwuma mu a. Fabua.
So what they say?
Okay.
The most painful aspect say, ni abehu ni say oye nyame nipa na ona no de a odi dwa nenu mo de nante no.
To say wo no.
Ewo no. Oye the most useless person.
Beba, me take you phrase ni ya. O asofo ni bia. Omo no de to say ewo no.
Oye they are the most useless people.
Omo eba wo nchen a ase wo boa wa ani.
Oh, bring you down.
Omo mum na edi nipa ba form.
Edi nipa ba form. Me, look at this.
Nese aso dem kure hu che we
get to. Me see aso dem we hu see we get to. I tell read my list. Me see obofo aso dem we hu see we get to.
Because aso for na mumu ni Yakobon.
I bet you so unia so for enele down wa. Wan hwe abanu maduro.
Seriously.
I tell you, into me Nigeria na abano. Some of the pastors behind, they think the guy will go down. He will not. Nigel Uncle from that.
I said Nigeria in any so NDC ni so for.
Uncle from that. Look at this. Look at this. What is it? Yeah? Me bought 31st. Attention to number 5.
Yes.
Look at the people in the room.
Sure.
Mo sheni pe was them.
I saw them where
Mojo.
Sure.
Mojo. Fa compare to be a wire so 20 years, 10 years, 15 years.
Na be say bia ono bia wan so shene nema ye na bia.
Eno na say oja chimi no say menyini so minimi nyansa ntime nko so nyansa mfiri na Ajigezo 37 years. Just so that we say so. Look at the decoration and the things he has done for God. Because of enfumso aba no. Entigana nyina ntwe na basa ene so.
No, I don't think say enfumso aba no because so aba abontia be ka say rano so aba abontia say enye ne mpra.
Aba make us
yes.
I am telling you today say thank
eye keterema.
E wo tumi.
Yes.
The one you okasa na wure ni petima na paper yedi.
Okay.
Shade ade o enye ne na sa video system no. But they try to prank so me ya nya bibi. No me dey say na Ajigezo. Maza, akwa wide world.
So me I was wondering
Naiji wo ba. Naiji wo ba. Na se ne papa no.
Oma.
Thank you. Yeah. Na se the yere ti won won so say ya se me ku video na that system na dia. One obegu na ware, two be man my broken home, my stranded. Why adwuma yi?
David.
Adwuma papa na why no?
David.
You are the worstest devil.